Guys, this is Nikisha's first time shipping with us. And we're gonna give her something free. Isn't that wonderful? Say hi to them for me, please.
Hi.
Alright, Nikisha, say hi. Guys, you know it works. We come and we meet and greet our customers. This is our first time customer. You know something love me, right? I love our first time customers, right? So you know so we have to give her something free. Alright, Nikisha, here's the deal. We have whole heap of promotions on the website, right? Enough promotions, me can't remember all of them. So we created a little space on the website so that we can show you all the different promotions we have, all the different promotions, right? So when you scroll down, go to the website, you scroll all the way to the end of the website. There is a little word there that you need to click on to the left, right? You need to click on that little word. What is that word that you need to click on to see all the promotions that we have going? Yeah, but what's the word you need to click on? I joke, I tried to trick her. It's promotions. I tried to trick her. You're right, guys, you hear that? You need to click on promotions to see all the promotions that we have. So many of them, not even me can remember all of them. So you need to go there. Make sure you choose one. Alright guys, she chose this one. I am going to reach inside to see if you win or you don't win. Oh man, first time customer. I can't believe this. Nikisha, you won! You can't do happy dance? You know happy dance?
No.
You don't know no happy dance at all?
Okay.
You can't dance. She come like me. You can't dance either. So you want a free shipping coupon? Let me show them. And let me tell guys, she want a free shipping coupon. What are you waiting for? You know why I want a free coupon? There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link. You click on the link and you join us, right? And say now you win a free coupon. Guys, click on the link, join us, let us ship your item and come and deliver it to your doorstep. You know what that? I don't know no more to say. Bye, tell you bye.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.